is different because I have a new type of crochet hair from QVR Hair. I got 5 packs of this beautiful hair. Let me show you up close so you know what I'm talking about. I just took it out of the pack and it's so soft. Oh my goodness, I love the curl pattern as well as the length. I need you to see what I'm talking about. Let me show you real close. The hair is so natural looking. It's very soft. It's 100% human hair. It's just so beautiful. I already know this crochet hairstyle is going to be seamless because look at the invisible knots. I have never seen a crochet hair like this before. This is a first, and QVR Hair has definitely unlocked something because the invisible knots are a game changer. I can't even believe I'm doing a review before I've even done the hair. Within each pack of hair comes a crochet pin as well, but I prefer using a beader because it's just less tension and it doesn't break my hair. So we're using a beader today. Unbelievable. I mean, it's on my head, but I'm just like, this is a crochet, not a wig. I need to put on some makeup, probably spray some water to activate the curls. Let me give it up for the finished look. Okay, yes, we know the hair is nice, right? But look. This is such a cute hairstyle, and I'm definitely gonna be rocking a headband with this all the time. When was the last time you did a crochet hairstyle and you could put a headband? Like, it literally looks like boho braids. Yeah. I haven't been a fan of crochet hairstyles, but with this innovative hair from QVR, I am sold. The quality of the hair is really good. It's soft, deep loose wave, 22 inches, just the perfect length for me. It's so light on my head. And the fact that the knots are non-existent is also saving my edges. This is beautiful.